severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Madison County in northwestern Virginia, central Orange County in central Virginia, northeastern Albemarle County in central Virginia, south central Culpeper County in northern Virginia until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 9:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Boswell's Tavern, or 9 miles southwest of Orange, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Culpeper, Orange, Gordonsville, Raccoon Ford, Roseville, Rapidan, Barbersville, Everona, Verdiersville, Madison Run, Montpelier Station, Burke Hill, Nassans, Winston, Madison Mills, Linford, Mitchell, Old Somerset, Unionville, and Somerset. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.